Hi, today we're going to do a video lesson on subtracting mixed numbers. Please pay close attention because it's really difficult. And please keep on track and write all the notes. There's two methods. Method 1 is 1. Find your LCD. 2. Rewrite the fraction with your LCD. 3. Subtract the fraction. 4. Subtract the whole numbers. 5. Simplify. Method 2 is 1. Convert your fractions into an improper fraction. 2. Find your LCD. 3. Rewrite your fraction with your LCD. 4. Subtract. 5. Convert into a mixed number. 6. Simplify. So our problem is going to be 13 halves minus 10 and 6/7. We need to find the LCD. I did it in my head, but you can solve it out. The LCD is 14, and you might want to highlight it so you don't forget about it. It says rewrite the fraction with your LCD. From a half, to get with a denominator of 14, you need to multiply by 7 both. So it's 13 and 7/14 minus 10. So this one you need to multiply by 2. And by minus 10 and 12/14. Well, it says subtract the fraction. Well, we need to borrow for getting the answer. But this is what we're going to do. No, sorry. This is what you are not going to do. Get it into a 12 and convert this into a big 17. This is wrong, really wrong, guys. You cannot do that. That's wrong. I'll explain you why. It's because it's not worth one place. It's worth 14, as you see here. 14. It's 14, as you see here. It's not 1, it's 14. So what you need to do is borrow 14 from this one's, turn this into 12, and then you need to borrow 14. So it's going to be 12 and 21/14. And then we keep this one the same as minus 10 and 12/14. And the answer is going to be 2 and 9/14 because we already subtracted the whole numbers and we subtracted the fraction. And we do not need to simplify. So this is the number. So now we're going to do method 2. Remember that the problem is 13 halves minus 10 and 6/7. It says convert your fractions into an improper fraction. So what we're going to do is 13 times 2 plus 1 minus 10 times 7 plus 6. And it's, in this case, it's 27, and we keep the same denominator of 2. And then it's 76/7. But remember, it needs to be the same denominator. So it says find your LCD. The LCD is 14, remember? It's 14. Highlight it. Rewrite your fraction with your LCD. So we need to multiply this by 7 and then multiply this by 2. Two times 7, 14 plus 4, 189. And 2 times 7 is 14. And it's 14 and 14. And then it's minus. So then 76 times 2. 152. So now we need to subtract 189 minus 152 equals 37. 14. Then remember, we need to change it into a mixed number, and let's do it. 37 and 14. 14 goes in 37 2 times. 2 times 14 is 28, and it gives 9, and it gives us 2, and there's a remainder 9, so we put it as a numerator, then 14 as this one, and we cannot simplify, and our answer is 2 9/14. That means we got the correct answer. So thank you guys for paying close attention, and please remember to write all the notes. Thank you.